Hello friends, today we're going to, my phone is charged. Today we're going to install an SSH key on Today I'm going to install an SSH key on my DigitalOcean server so that it can host my webpage in the near future, once I get it built. I've had this webpage here before, but it was infiltrated by a miner, it was infiltrated by a hacker, and a miner was placed on it. It was infiltrated by a hacker apparently, and a Bitcoin miner was placed on it, so that was a lot of fun. So that's why I switched to DigitalOcean. They're a very, very, very large provider of computing services, and they seem to have their act together. So I'll try them and see if I can get infiltrated. I'll be looking around a bit because I have two screens and I've never done this before. So the first thing to do is you need two keys to log into your web server. One is your private key. It should be on the machine you're logging in from. Two is the public key, which is going to go on the machine you are logging in to. To start, if you're on Windows, you download PuTTY and you run PuTTYgen. PuTTYgen will generate a key for you. RSA is currently one of the most secure types. We'll be using it. Click on Generate and move your mouse a bit to generate some randomness. I'd rather have a more secure key, so I'm going to generate a 4096-bit key instead of a 2048-bit key. You see, it takes a little more time this time. Please wait while a key is generated. Thank you, PuTTYgen. In the key comment field, you may want to name your key. I'm going to name mine DigitalOcean for Aero Computing Tech. And put a key passphrase in. Whatever you want it to be, preferably longer is better. Having a passphrase is going to make it more secure, but I'm not using passphrases because I don't care about the security of the server too much. It's not mission critical, and if it goes down tomorrow, I don't care. I'll rebuild it. I've also got my DigitalOcean server to save every week, so I'll have a backup copy if I really need it. Click on Save Public Key once you're done. Ooh, I've already got some keys here. We're going to save it right now to the desktop, just for simplicity's sake. I'm going to name it DO star. I'm going to name it DigitalOcean Key and click OK. This is the big guy. Are you sure you want to save this key without a passphrase to protect it? Yes, I do, because I don't care. If you want to be secure, you need a passphrase right there where it asks for it. We're not secure right now. DigitalOcean private key. I should make this one public, just so I'll know. Okay. After you save the key, right-click in this box. Directly after you save the key, right-click in this box and click Copy. If you don't do that, and you do some other things, and you click on other things, you won't have that option. You'll have to right-click in the box, whoops, and click Select All, and then right-click and copy. Now we go and log into the server. I've already logged into my server here at DigitalOcean. I use a program called Enjoi because it handles all of my connections so well. If you've already installed SSH, you don't have to do this. I have clearly not installed SSH. Whoa, I can't see anything because of Flux. Okay, now it's good. If you logged into your sudo root, if you logged into your home directory, if you're at your home directory, if you're at your home directory, which is indicated by this squiggly, you should be able to type cd space .ssh, and here you'll find several files, or none. If you find none, or you can't get into the .ssh file, you should probably install SSH by typing sudo apt-get install SSH if you're on Ubuntu. Otherwise, use Google to help you out. We'll need to edit the authorized keys file, so we do nano authorized keys. And here at the bottom, I'm going to just paste, oops, that's my password. If you did what I just did and accidentally copied something else, just open PuTTYgen again, click on File, Load Private Key, and then you can copy your key once more. Nano authorized keys, paste it right in there. Control-O to save, Control-X to exit. That's a duplicate key. I'm not going to save it. Now we should be able to log in, sort of. Next we have to create a profile. Next we have to create a profile in PuTTY. I've already got my DigitalOcean settings loaded up. That's my IP address, that's the port. Come down here to connection/SSH/auth. Click on Browse, add private key for authentication, and open your private key that you just saved. I'm going to save my session once again with my key in the auth section, and click on Open. Log in as. Boom!